Hey guys, so today I'm going to see if I can make slime backwards. And before we get on to the video, I hope you like, subscribe, and also comment down below. And if you want to, you can go follow me on Musical.ly if you have Musical.ly. And, well, actually, let's just get on to the video. Let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm gonna get my stuff out to make slime. Oh, guess what, guys? I also got this, which is very exciting. It's heavy. It's heavy. Got this gallon of glue for Christmas.
Unexpected turn. Yeah, look at him out there. I've never been happier for him. Excuse me? My dude is killing it. Well, he's taking credit for the work you did together. This should be tearing you up inside. Come on. How often do you get to see your best bud become a star? Why can't you just be happy for the man? That's it. You refuse to learn anything, so I'm ending this wish.
How was your wish, bro?
Awesome.
It was not awesome. Beast Boys stole your fame, and you just stood there cheering them on. Really? Thanks for your support, dude.
I love you, bro.
Starfighter, it is your turn to make a
Sorry,
wish.
guys. I still have to get the bowl, and I just totally forgot.
Okay.
Mr. Robin, I have done both the long and also the hard thinking on this. I am ready to experience my greatest desire.
Then step into this bush and let your dream become reality.
Okay, got my bowl,
Your wish is to be a kitty cat?
and let's go. So, here.
As a wearable, you see, the life of a human is not so easy after all. Wait a second, you take liberties with your wish.
Let's go.
Your mind's a web of madness.
That's good. Let's get this.
No more, no more, no more!
Okay.
Oh, what a
So we'll put this to the side. That's the bowl borax. The bowl that I'm going to use.
But it was a rainbow. I fell into a cat pile.
Bro, hey, my turn.
Huh? Right. What? And don't make it weird.
I want a piece of cake.
Okay, got it.
And nothing.
You can wish for anything you can imagine, and you want cake?
He knows it.
Maybe you want to think about this a little more.
No, I want what I want.
Okay.
And into the bush, and let your dream come true.
Okay, so the last thing I would add is, get off of me. I don't know, my hands are so messy.
How's the cake?
Well, dope.
Tummy starting to hurt? Nope. Wish you had some milk? Nope. And you wish you had a friend? Nope.
This is going to be the one with the door. Okay.
Dunskies. I'm trying to teach you magical life lessons, and you keep messing it up.
Is the lesson wishes are always good and nothing bad will ever happen if they come true?
No, that is not the lesson. You're supposed to learn that wishes can have unexpected downsides, and you should be happy with what you already have.
I did not pick up on that at all.
It's my turn to have a great wish where nothing bad happens. I wish to get off this island and go home.
Fine, let's go. Step into the bush and let your dreams become reality.
Now, let me just mix it together. Ew. Get on.
Oh, it is so wonderful, Miss, to be home.
I gotta give me a shower. I am right. Sniffy, Mama.
Ew, get away from me.
I'll smell you, bro. Woo! Dog, you sick. Now smell me.
Nasty, bro. Who do you think that's having? Smell behind my ear. Ew.
I'm just gonna watch Pretty Pegasus. What's up with
I
the
think
TV?
that's too much.
I thought
Do you
perhaps
think
the
this is
recording
too much,
button
guys? Oh no, it's about to spill.
would like it.
Do you think this is too much?
I already hate everything. I wish I was back on the island.
Oh, really? So,
Is that too much? Yeah, it's too much. Let me add more.
wish for it.
I mean, less.
Yes! Knowledge will drop!
That's good. And then the second thing that I would
I
add
must give you the many thanks
is
for helping us
glitter.
survive upon the island.
So,
Well, I learned my
let me
lesson.
get the
End
glitter.
this wish already, so we can.
There is something else.
That's
I have
pretty.
the feelings for you that I hope you will reciprocate.
Okay.
Boyfriend.
Pour the glitter in there. Oh, what's this? Then I would usually
So,
mix.
yeah, lesson learned. I'm canceling the wish.
And then, I don't like to add food coloring, but today I will for y'all. What color do you think should I add? Do you think I should add black? Nah, let's just keep it white. Okay. And then I usually add the glue.
Taking it to the next level, huh?
And then I would usually mix it. They're coming together. Oh my god.
Coming up next, if the Teen Titans Go, the night begins to shine special.
You were a top student. But look at you now.
Oh my god, this feels so weird.
Excuse to act out.
Their dad wanted to touch the stars. We heard a cry out in the universe. We're here to help you find it.
This is just like glue. It really is just like glue. This is hard. Ew. What's this?
Oh, there you are, Sprinkles. The power is in the pouch, and I expect it.
Happy birthday!
Thanks, Mom.
This is gross.
Introducing birthday parties with unlimited games. Chuck E. Cheese. All the tickets you can win. All the games you can play.
That wasn't enough activator. No. I think I just need to knead it in a bowl.
Sugar to walk an extra 35 minutes a day could spare them the pain of thinning bones later in life. Encourage your kids to get up, get out, and get moving.
Hello.
Hey, Grandma, how about another great soda?
A public service message on building strong bones for kids from the Pediatric Orthopedic Society of North America and the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons.
It feels weird. I wish y'all could touch it though, but it's messy, so y'all probably wouldn't want to. Ah,
Why and deny is Max Thunderman.
this is weird.
Face is the Phoebe Thunderman way.
Who will get busted?
We need to pin this on somebody else.
All will be revealed in the night of premieres.
Are you wearing a diaper? Yes.
It all starts with a brand new Thunderman.
Ooh.
Tomorrow at 8.
On TV, they said, "Are you wearing a diaper?" And then he said, "Yes." Yeah. It's gross.
That's big.
Hold my honeycomb.
Sorry.
That's bigger.
Blue jacket, no pants. You must be Peter Rabbit. How are you? Wait, didn't you try to eat me? Show me your teeth. It was you. I knew it. Who's this guy? Kids. We have to take back.
I think we should just like knead it little by little, because I mean it's making a huge mess.
That's a serious electric fence.
You can't out clever McGregor, so use his cleverness against him. Peter Rabbit, rated PG.
Yeah, it's gross.
Sounds like home. Run home and stream all your family's favorites, including the new Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz. On Boomerang, now streaming on your favorite devices. Start your free trial now.
Ooh. And then like way before the glue, I would add water. Forgot about the water. Okay, let's add some water. Grossy gooiness.
Wonder how many ponies I could count to. One pony, two pony, one pony, four pony.
Okay, now let me add the water.
57 ponies.
That's enough water.
58 ponies. I like ponies. They're pretty.
That just helped it a lot.
Haven't run out of things to do on this island.
Indeed. When it first seemed like the exciting change has become the
That helped a lot.
Yeah, I can't sit here.
I think we should go back to our normal setting.
Have you all lost your mind? This island adventure has been filled with excitement. If this was a TV show, it would be billed as a week-long event.
Maybe, but I'm not sure it lived up to expectations.
I believe battling all of the villains in the epic fight to the finish would have been much more exciting.
Wrong! Island adventures are what's exciting. Island adventures! Well, you can keep your island adventures. Wheel them about.
Gross. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go wash my hands. Sticky goodness.
Don't you remember? This island is inescapable. We learned that in our first island adventure. Dude, we're sick of island adventures.
Yeah, they're really lame.
Ha! Lame? Island adventures aren't lame. You guys just need to be reminded of how much fun we've had this week in the form of a catchy song.
Okay, guys. So I washed my hands. Now it's time to get this gunk of glue out. Oh, you can see the glitter in there. Glitter. Ew. This feels so disgusting. Oh no. Put on my shirt. I mean, like it's not stretchy slime. I mean, it still stretches. It just does this. It just rips. I don't like slime like that. And
Wait a minute. This island is
got all over my shirt.
The song was right. The trees are fake. They all
But like, it is a moldable slime.